Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the square guard from Squid Game. So first let's get started and we're going to start by drawing the shape of the head. So in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the left. And then starting back in the center again, we're going to again curve this line down on the right. Let's close this off on the bottom now. So from the left-hand side again, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving across from the right, we're just going to again curve this line back under, ending that at the same height. In the center now, we're going to draw in a curved line. And then dropping below, we're going to replicate that again. In the center, we're going to step over to the left, drawing in a straight line that comes down. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move over on the right. Now in the middle, let's draw in a square. So on the inside, we're going to draw in two straight lines on both sides. And then we're going to close this off on the top and bottom with another straight line from left to right. Now as we step outside again, on the left, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down, replicating that over on the right. Now on the top, we're going to close this off with another straight line. And then we're just going to do the same thing on the bottom. Now let's draw on the hood. So coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on our center line, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then up on the right. Now from here on both sides, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. And then we're going to close this off with a nice big arch line from left to right. Now let's draw on our left arm first. So we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the top, we're just going to curve this line back down. We're going to arch this line up for the wrist. And then stepping up again, let's replicate that. Now from here, we're going to draw on a small straight line that comes up. And now let's draw on the hand holding the gun. So we're going to curve this line around and then in. Moving down, arching that up. And then let's move down again one more time. Now let's draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards our chin. And then we're going to draw in a nice long diagonal line coming out on the right. As we move underneath now, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming across. And now let's draw on our right hand holding the gun. So we're going to draw in a small oval beside that. Moving along, connecting that, we're going to replicate that again. And then again, we're just going to replicate that one last time. Closing off the side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in. Beside this, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming across. And then just another straight line coming up. Closing off the right arm, we're going to curve this line in. And then stepping further up again, let's replicate that. For the pocket, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down and then across. For the handle, for the trigger, we're going to arch this line in. Beside that, we're going to curve this line out. And then stepping across again, let's replicate that. Let's close this off on the bottom with a diagonal line. Coming underneath the left side, we're going to draw in two more diagonal lines coming out. And then again, just closing that off with a straight line. In the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then moving up, let's replicate that. And then on the bottom, we're going to continue to bring that out towards our hand. In the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. Let's move down now for the legs. We're going to draw in a small arch line. And then in the middle, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come up towards the belt. For the legs, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. To the right of this, we're going to bring this line out and then in. We'll do the same thing on the left. And then stepping out again, let's replicate that, just making that smaller this time. Now let's close this off by curving this line in. Dropping below that, we're going to draw in another straight line that comes down towards the bottom. And then from that corner again, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. On the outside, we're going to arch this line down. And then from that corner, just curving this line back in towards the middle. And then let's move up again one more time, curving that across. And that is it. That's how you draw the square guard from Squid Games. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.